When I was going to the Temple of Bastet, I noticed that outside of the museum there were all these various artifacts, and amongst them was this oval sarcophagus. And I thought to myself, what is the significance of this item? And so I decided I'd look it up. And what I found was very interesting. Now, it's pretty rare to find these oval sarcophagi. I am aware of two others, but you can find them like oval at one end and then flat at another, but that's not the sort that I'm talking about. I'm talking about completely oval. And one of them is located at the Metropolitan Museum in America, and it's the sarcophagus of Senenmut. But it's not the most interesting. The most interesting one is at what they called Egyptians Area 51. It's called the Unfinished Pyramid of Zawiat El Arian. I'm not even sure if it's still there. Maybe they've taken it somewhere, because by the look of these photos, it looks like they're removing it. But that could be something staged from a movie that was taken in the area, because this is a diagram of the actual tub, which is oval inside with an oval lid, but it looks like it's part of a big block. So, not sure if it completely complies with being an oval sarcophagus, but it's certainly one of the most interesting ones. So, what do we know about this so-called unfinished pyramid? It is attributed to a pharaoh, or maybe he's a prince, called Baka, apparently of the 4th dynasty. Archaeologist Alessandro Barsanti took an unhealthy interest in this structure, eventually dissecting it till it could not be reassembled. There's very little photographic evidence for this site, as it's currently inaccessible in a military zone. So, back to the subject of the oval sarcophagi. What is so special about them? Well, apparently they are supposed to represent the womb. It's a bit hard to imagine this, considering how big some of these ones are. But yeah, that's the secret of the oval sarcophagus.